Hello, and today we are going to learn a new sound. The sound that we are learning today is air. Air. Air? That's not fair. Air. Air. That's not fair. Now, in my phonics group, they really like this sound because they get to stamp their foot to say air. That's not fair. So what I would like you to do is when you're saying air, that's not fair, I would like you to stamp down your foot. Air. Air. That's not fair. And it looks like this. The children are saying to their mum, that's not fair that you get all the sweets and the cakes. Air. That's not fair. That's not fair. Air. That's not fair. And it looks like this. Air, special friends. So just like the 2 letters that make one sound, 3 letters that make one sound are also special friends. So this is special friends, air. Air, that's not fair. What I would like us to do is when we see this side, say air. When we see this side, say, that's not fair. You can shake your head or you can stamp your feet. Are you ready? Well done. Air, that's not fair. I'm now going to hide the sound. The sound that we are doing today is air. So when you see air, I would like you to point to it. Are you ready? E. O. R. Or. Air. Good job. I'm not going to help you this time. Well done. Air. Well done. Air. Last time. Air. Well done. Air. That's not fair. We're going to do some green words now. Remember, special friends, Fred talk, read the word. You can Fred talk out loud or Fred talk in your head. It is up to you. Are you ready? Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Air, stare. Special friends, Fred talk. Read the word. Air, fair. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Air, chair. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Air, hair. Nice and easy one. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Air. Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. All air, lair. Ready for some nonsense words now? Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Air, sare. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Air, nair. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word play. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word z. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word ge. What a load of nonsense. I have got some words here on this very big whiteboard. There are some real words and there are some alien words. So what we are going to have to do is we're going to have to Fred talk them. Are you ready? Air. Funfair. Sep. Sep. Air. Play. Air. Sh. Hairbrush. Air. Stare. Air. Chair. It's up to us to decide what words are real words and what words are alien words. I can see 2 alien words. Can you spot them? What words can't you put into a sentence? Are you ready? Play. It's an alien word. Sep. It's an alien word. Well done. See you next time.